Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's enter the history, and as you can see right here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and here we've got in the advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. As you can see, I've got everything marked. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks, and simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed the browsing history. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.